Good morning, guys. Good morning, everyone. This is Chadman. Uh, this is day three uh, of running the week without even taking a single trade. The market has not yet been showing us any opportunity to trade. So this is what we've been analyzing. We've been having a change of character there. The market played out very well. This side, like almost every opportunity that presented itself to us, we were able to capitalize from it. But ever since we had a change of character there and looking for selling opportunities, it looks like the market hasn't been good to our plan. But that's not the end of it because we still have the plan in place and we still looking forward to trade the plan, not the market. Because otherwise, if we were trading the market, it was just going to be easy and simple for us to execute trades based on the traditional way of trading, of which that's the way most of you know on how to analyze and take trades. We saw like a couple of opportunities in the market, but it was not on our plan. So ever since the market has started to give us like sell pullback, sell pullback, sell pullback, so someone is gonna be looking forward to sell here. Since most people are trading the market, we're not trading the market. We're not trading this market. We're trading the plan. This is the plan. This is the plan. We're planning to take trades when the market comes here. We hoped for the market to come back and sweep this liquidity here. It did not. It failed. It went down. We did not take any trade, and this is not a loss for us. The market came here. We hoped that the market will give us a pullback to sweep the liquidity here before coming down, but it did not. It just continued to go down, and we the only thing that I've been able to do or to take or to learn from this is to take the lesson that the market is giving me. It's been 2 days. It's been the 3 days now without even taking a trade, and this shows me that if the market goes to my plan, I'm going to have a very long trade. I'm going to have a very long opportunity as it did here. I'm expecting a very strong pullback before the market goes down. That will increase my risk to reward, my reward ratio, rather my risk. It will increase my reward ratio since you see that I've extended it but not taken any trade. So I'm looking forward for the market to go to my plan before I can execute going down. So this is it. You have to take the lesson, guys. You don't have to necessarily you don't necessarily need to trade every day. Like the amount of money that I'm going to make when the market comes to my plan, yeah, it's going to be very, very huge as compared to the days that I've not been trading. So I'm just staying logged in no matter what, whether I have the opportunity or not. But I'm still going to continue to have a look at the market. This is just giving me some lessons. I've been trying to analyze and figure out what is it that I can learn from this structure. But I've realized that too much information will will kill me. More especially since I have a trading plan. More especially since I have a trading method or a trading strategy that I've proven to myself that it works 90% of the time. And I'm just going to patiently wait for the market to give me what it needs to give me, and I'll execute from there using proper risk management and take my reward ratio. Thank you guys. Let me not be long. Peace out.